Hey everybody, are you tired of using a generic run-of-the-mill stamp for your business or personal needs? Well, look no further. Jessica Lynn Originals Studios can actually create our custom rubber stamps for you. Now, the coolest part is I am able to bring these designs to life. Basically, with my attention to detail and quality, I can actually design a custom logo or design for you. If you already have a logo, by all means, I can use that. Now, I wanted to show you, this is a custom stamp order, and I can tell you they could not be happier with the results. Basically, I took their logo, I transformed it, and in a minute, I'll actually show you what it looks like as a full custom stamp. Now, what I want to share with you is that the possibilities are endless. So I could create a custom stamp for a wedding, for packaging your products or branding, to be able to create cards, and they're very versatile and perfect for any occasion. So if you want to learn more, I did put a QR code off on the left hand side of the screen, or down below you can click on the link where it says you can see like custom rubber stamps. So ordering custom stamps have never been easier. So basically you're going to go through, order the size or sizes you want, whether you want it red rubber stamps or self-inking, and then I'll go ahead and follow up with you. And in that email I will send you a what are you looking for? Let me design something, and we'll go ahead and get that together, and then you can approve that. Once you approve the design, I'll actually take it to production and turn it into, for example, if you order a wooden block with a handle, it'll look very similar to these amazing stamps that I created. And on the back you can see it's professionally grade red rubber with foam, so you can change ink. We also do self-inking as well. And the thing is that I want to tell you, don't worry about the quality, because I take pride in our craftsmanship and we ensure that each stamp is made with care and precision. So why get something generic when you can get something that reflects your personality or your company? We work with a lot of small businesses that use this for branding, and it really makes a difference. Now, this channel is all about my adventures, my custom rubber stamps, as well as art. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe as well. I would love to have you do that. And if you have questions about custom rubber stamps, please go ahead and just ask. You can ask down below, or you could toss me an email. I would love to do my best to try and answer anything I can for you. So again, I want to take a quick moment and just say thank you so much for watching. I'll put some more videos down below, and then don't forget to subscribe. If you click on my little picture in the circle, it would mean the world to me to have you come on back. And again, if you are looking for something custom, please go ahead and take a look at our website. I look forward to working with you.